Hey guys, long time no see. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful morning. I right now am drinking my protein coffee. I am listening to some Hillsong worship music. And I have been getting emails that have just melted my heart. The messages that I've been getting from you guys, worried about me, concerned about praying for me, and how much I've impacted your lives, and how you guys have been so inspired by my channel. I mean, let me just say, guys, all glory be to God. I'm just the vessel that God has used, and I am just absolutely touched by you all. And the prayers have meant so much to me because I have been going through it, guys. I definitely, have been attacked. And, just like I tell all of you guys, it's always the same thing. All of my steady clients know this, that the title of this video is going to be When All Hope Is Gone. Okay. When all hope is gone, something has to give eventually. Your season cannot remain the same. Okay. So when you're in a place where there is nothing good, nothing shifting in your direction that's good, you have to ask yourself, well, can this stay this way forever? No, it can't. Things are going to constantly change, guys. So you have to keep reminding yourself and renewing your mind that this won't stay the same. Okay? Now, the devil wants us to think that it's going to stay that way and it's never going to change. So then we stay in that mindset. And then our decisions become different. The way we show up every day becomes different. But instead, you got to be optimistic about the situation. This is where your faith is going to be activated. You are believing what you are not seeing in the physical, because the Lord knows we are so carnal. That's the thing about us, guys. We are such carnal people, and we have to become more walking by faith and not by sight. Okay? There is gonna be opposition in this world. The Bible says it, because of him. And what does Paul say? Consider it pure joy. Does it mean that it's fun? Oh my gosh, no, guys, no. But just like a wrestler gets knocked down, I say this all the time, we got to get on back up. Okay? Is he concerned when he falls down that he ain't gonna win? No, he's getting back up with a bloody face. And as a matter of fact, I went on vacation last week and I actually met a wrestler. It was funny. And I told him my, thing that I tell all of you guys. And he's like, that's a really good one, because it's true. It doesn't matter how bloody their face is. It doesn't matter if they are, all beat up. They're getting back up. They're getting back up and they're going to win that tournament. Okay? It's the same thing. Do you want the victory? Is the question. God's looking for determination and consistency. So just like myself right now, I'm not going to give you guys advice that I don't take myself. I'm getting back up every day. I am just going to keep persevering with the Lord Almighty. Okay? So right now it's been tough for a lot of you guys, and we've been really working together and standing together. Okay? If you would like to work with me, I would love to help you, and I would love to be your life coach. It is getting a lot busier. I am now in another platform with other clients for other things, but I would love to help you guys. So if you would like to work with me, email me at redeemingthebroken@gmail.com. I repeat, redeemingthebroken@gmail.com. So it's REDEEMING, redeemingthebroken@gmail.com. I'm changing the email. It doesn't mean I'm not still going to check the other email address, but I'm now changing everything to match the ministry name. So anyways, guys, I would love to work with you guys. My prices are still currently the same. They're different if you go through the other platform. But long story short, if you would like to work with me, shoot me an email. We will make it happen. And then I'm trying to think of what else. If you would like to come over to the Facebook groups, the one for the marriages is going to be Dead Marriages Redeemed. Come on over. We would love to have you. The group is growing by the day. And if you would like to come over and just grow your Christian faith, come on over to Redeeming the Broken. Come on over, guys. We would love to have you. And then for women, Confident Thriving Women. That's all for confidence and growing your self as a woman. So come on over. I would love to have you guys. God bless each and every one of you. If you would like me to answer any questions, put them in the comments and I will answer them in my next videos. God bless, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.